March marks Ovarian Cancer Awareness Month. Ovarian cancer is the 5th most common cancer in women. In the UK alone, around 7,200 women are diagnosed with the disease annually, and there are approximately 4,300 deaths due to ovarian cancer each year. Many of us here will have a family member, a friend, or who will know somebody who has been affected by ovarian cancer. And although this is a relatively rare cancer, the fact that one woman dies every 2 hours from the disease testifies to the need to tackle this, to raise awareness and to bust the myths surrounding ovarian cancer with both women and practitioners alike. Ovarian cancer has been called the silent killer because of the difficulty in diagnosis, but there are symptoms to be aware of. Knowing, taking seriously and acting on these symptoms is a crucial factor in the fight to crack this cruel cancer. The main symptoms to look out for are persistent stomach pain, persistent bloating, finding it difficult to eat or feeling full quickly, and needing to urinate more often. We know that 90% of women are not aware of these 4 main symptoms. More can and must be done to raise awareness around ovarian cancer. And the Ovarian Cancer Action Charity recommend that if you experience any symptoms, don't ignore it, act quickly and talk to your GP. If diagnosed at stage 1, women have a 90% survival rate from ovarian cancer. Early detection is a lifesaver. Knowing the symptoms makes a difference.